Good morning, Mountaineer family, and Happy New Year. I hope 2026 is off to a healthy and very happy start. With a new year underway, I have some important updates to share with you all. So first, regarding the governor's budget. On Tuesday, January 13th, Governor Hochul will announce the 2026 State of the State address. The governor will use this platform to announce major educational initiatives, policies, and educational funding. The allocation of appropriate levels of foundational aid is key to maintaining district operations, programming, and educational opportunities for our students. On Tuesday evening, the Board of Education will be adopting the budget calendar for the 2026-2027 school year. Please check our district website on the Superintendent's Corner for information about the budget and a link which will provide you any information you are seeking on our upcoming budget. It also includes a link for parent advocacy on the state level as well. With the budget season just starting, I would like to encourage everyone to actively engage and participate in the budget process. While still on the topic of budget, I'd like to turn your attention back to the governor's budget proposal and topic of universal pre-K. There's discussion that UPK will be included in the governor's budget proposal. Again, stay tuned on January 13th at 1 p.m. for the State of the State address. You may recall the district made an investment to reopen a second section of UPK back in the fall. In order to continue to maintain this important program, we need your help. In order to ensure sustainability, it's essential to be able to forecast in the budget the enrollment for the UPK program. If you have a child, you have a friend, you have a neighbor who will be 4 years old on or before December 1st, 2026, they are eligible to register for the UPK program for this upcoming fall. Registration is open now through April 1st. More information regarding registration for the UPK program can be found on the main page of the district website and in a letter that'll be coming home to your house. Please be on the lookout for this very important communication regarding UPK registration. Again, the date for that goes through April 1st, 2026. I also want to encourage community engagement and planning for our upcoming capital project. The capital project proposal will be discussed tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. in the Berlin Middle School High School auditorium. The board will be collaborating with Synthesis Architects to keep the fiscal implications on the district and taxpayers as minimal as possible while addressing critical infrastructure required to provide a safe and operational learning environment for all of our students. Please join us tomorrow again at 6:30 p.m. for this important meeting. The last topic I'd like to discuss are upcoming events for January. First is the PTO. On Wednesday, January 14th at 6:30 p.m., our PTO will be meeting right here in the BES library for a special meeting with our middle school, high school counselors and administration to discuss the high school course selection process. This is a Q&A session and families are invited to join. Good news is you can join either in person or remotely as it's a hybrid session. There'll be a link sent out on the BCSD PTO page and the district website for those looking to join remotely. Again, this important discussion about the middle school, high school master schedule and course selection process. Following this meeting, on January 20th at 6 p.m. in the middle school, high school auditorium, there'll be a special presentation regarding the middle school, high school master schedule. This meeting precedes the board meeting in January. Again, that's on January 20th at 6 p.m. preceding the board meeting at 6:30. On behalf of the BNL Booster Club, I would like to invite you to Mountain Madness 2026 this Saturday, January 17th. This fun community event of games and activities, basketball, goes from 9 a.m. to approximately 7 p.m. The day will start with Taconic Valley Youth Basketball Feeder Program starting off in the morning at 9 a.m. and it'll end with the girls varsity basketball and boys varsity basketball games later in the afternoon. Please come out for this fun community event. Lastly, I'd like you to save the date for our pre-K through grade 5 BES Math Night on January 22nd at 5:30 to 7 p.m. at BES. Mountaineers and their families can explore hands-on learning like card games, dice games, math literacy, trail mix station, scavenger hunt, and much, much more. This is sponsored by the Berlin PTO, Helping Hands, and Drama Club. Sounds like a lot of fun. Come on out. So there's a lot happening across our school district this January. We hope you'll engage with the many opportunities. Stay warm, and as always, go Mountaineers!